Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. In the last session, we discussed how to take screenshot and display this. In this session, we are going to discuss how to take full page screenshot. Okay, how to capture basically full page screenshot. Let's do that. Let's create one class. Let's take full page screenshot. Okay, take full page screenshot. Let me create one main method. Okay, then we'll create Playwright instance. Let's create Playwright instance. I'm going to say create Playwright instance. So Playwright, let's say Playwright, one second. Let's say Playwright is equal to Playwright dot create. Okay, after that we'll launch Chromium browser in maximized mode. So launch Chromium browser in maximized mode. Okay, so let's say browser is equal to Playwright dot Chromium dot launch. Then inside that we'll pass new browser type dot launch options. Then here we'll put set headless is equal to false. Okay, then dot set args, so java dot util dot arrays. One moment. Yeah, java dot util dot arrays dot as list. Then hyphen start maximized. Okay, start maximized. Then just for the semicolon. Okay, now create new browser context without viewport size. Okay, so what we can do, create new browser context, create new browser context without viewport size. Okay, that is, let's say, maximized. Okay, understood? So we'll create, let's say, browser, so browser context, then context, let's say, is equal to browser dot new context, browser dot new context. Inside that we'll pass new browser dot, okay, so browser dot new context options, okay, dot set viewport size, okay, so inside that we'll pass null, okay, then semicolon. Okay, once that is done, then we'll open the new page. Open new page. Okay, so page, let's say page is equal to context, okay, dot new page. Okay, then after that we'll navigate to website. Navigate to website. Okay, so page dot navigate, sorry, one second, page dot navigate, and inside that we'll pass the URL https:// playwright dot dev, okay, then after that we'll system.out.println, then title, okay, so we'll put page dot title, okay, then after that we'll take full page screenshot, full page screenshot, okay, then we'll take page dot screenshot, then new page dot screenshot options, okay, then after that dot set path, okay, so inside that again we'll create paths dot get, and we'll provide full page screenshot, so full page screenshot, okay, full page screenshot, let's say dot png, okay, then after that we'll write down dot set full page, so after this just write down dot set, one second guys, so it will be here I believe, dot set full page, yes, correct, and pass true, okay, then yeah, that's it. Then just write down, for example, system.out.println, okay, full page screenshot captured, so you can write down full page screenshot captured, okay, so let's run this and we'll see the result. Okay guys, so it's opening the browser, it will navigate to the Playwright dev page, Just hold on. 1 second. There is okay. It got failed. Let's check the error log. What exactly it is trying to tell? Okay, what it is trying to tell, error aborted. Okay, see, this is the issue. We have provided a wrong URL. Okay, so let's fix that. HTTPS. So it is HTTPS. Okay, now execute this. Yeah, it will open the browser, it navigate to the playwright.dev page, it will get the title, and it will now capture the full page screenshot. Okay, let's go back, and if we'll see here, yeah, it took the full page screenshot. Okay, see, it's the full page screenshot, right? Okay, that's how it is. This is the full page screenshot. Earlier it was taking the only screen, but if you will see here now, it taking the full page screenshot, whole page, whatever there in the page, it is taking that. Okay guys, so okay, before that let me also show you, I'm going to say the previous screenshot so that you will get the idea. Okay, let's run this. Basically you will see the difference between full page screenshot and other screenshot which I took. Just I'm running the previous program and I will show you. Hold on, so it is taking, yeah. Let's go back, and if you will see this screenshot, let me refresh this. Okay, so this is the screenshot. See, this is taking, 1 second, this is the screenshot it is taking. Okay, this is not full, sorry. Whatever it is showing on the screen, it is taking that. But if you will see the full page screenshot, it is taking full page, like whatever there on that particular page, it will take that. Okay, so for example, if we will open it manually, so we will get the clear idea. Let me open this. I mean, if I will open it manually, if you will see here clearly, it is the difference. See, it is taking full page screenshot, whatever there in that particular page, you see everything it is showing, right? It's showing the details. But in this case, it is taking whatever showing on the screen, that screen it is taking. That is the difference between full page screenshot and normal screenshot. Okay, that's it guys, that's it for this session. I will come up with some new interesting topic. Till then, take care, bye bye. Please like it, subscribe the channel, share with your friends and family. Anything you put in the comment section, I will reply you. Thank you so much guys.